Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 5 best iPad Pro 12.9-inch accessories 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. According to Apple's new 11-inch iPad Pro models, Mac laptops will undoubtedly be replaced by ultra-portable tablets in the future. Your next computer is not a computer, Apple itself admitted. However, you must first outfit the large-screen iPad with necessary accessories before using it as your laptop. I have prepared this video guide for the best iPad Pro 12.9-inch accessories 2022, so let's get started. 5. Omoton Tablet Stand. This anti-slip stand for the iPad Pro was created by Omoton to give you the utmost comfort while you type, watch videos or movies, or read eBooks. This stand is very versatile and offers exceptional stability, so you can use it for a very long time. The sticky base is made of nano-absorption material, and its best feature is that it is simple to wash with water. Use your iPad Pro as you see fit, whether in portrait or landscape mode. This stand rotates in 225 degrees and has an anti-scratch silicone pad. Additionally, the open charging port on the stand allows you to charge your iPad while it is mounted on it. 4. Here Cool USB-C Hub. Your iPad can function as a full-fledged laptop, thanks to a USB-C hub. An intelligent USB-C adapter from HereCool has been created and has all the features you need. You can attach a flash drive, TF card, SD card, and other accessories to your iPad Pro using a single docking station. In order to keep the wires organized, HereCool gave enough attention to detail to provide all the slots on one side. Benefit from improved access to various ports. 3. Apple Pencil. Second generation. Your iPad Pro's best sibling is the Apple Pencil, and the two can interact with one another in a useful way. And by communication, I mean accuracy, receptivity, and effortless fluidity. You will enjoy the charm of a conventional writing instrument while using Apple Pencil. You can transform your iPad into a canvas, a notepad, or anything else you desire. Start using your iPad Pro's elegant screen with your wirelessly connected Apple stylus. A connector or moving parts are not allowed to cost money. 2. Comfortable Tablet Sleeve. Improve your sense of style by including this classy sleeve on your list of iPad Pro accessories for 2022. You will adore the minimalist design aesthetic of an elegant sleeve, which is as light as a feather. You will love the sleeve's functionality in addition to its fashionable appearance because it includes an Apple Pencil and keyboard holder. For your peace of mind, Comfortable used waterproof polyester material. This sleeve's layers of tough material prevent water from penetrating them. Your premium tablet is given additional protection inside the sleeve by a second neoprene flat. 1. Apple Mount. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.